Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Enchanters. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join our community and stay updated with the latest beauty tips and tricks. As the new school year approaches, it's time to gear up and shine on the first day of school. Today I'm sharing my ultimate back-to-school beauty essentials that will help you look and feel your best. Let's dive in. Starting the day with a fresh face is a game changer. My go-to morning skincare routine involves a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner, and a lightweight moisturizer. Using a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is non-negotiable for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Trust me, investing in good skincare now will pay off in the long run. For a natural and fresh look, start with a BB cream or a lightweight foundation to even out your skin tone. A touch of concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes will brighten your face. Finish with a dusting of translucent powder to set everything in place. Eyes are the windows to the soul, so let's make them pop. A neutral eyeshadow palette is perfect for creating versatile looks. A swipe of mascara will open up your eyes, and a bit of eyeliner can add that extra definition. Don't forget your lips. Start with a lip balm to keep them hydrated. For color, a tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick is perfect for school. It adds just the right amount of color without being too bold. Healthy hair is a must for a polished look. Use a nourishing shampoo and conditioner and apply a leave-in conditioner or hair oil for added shine. Simple hairstyles like a ponytail, braids, or leaving it down naturally are perfect for school. Well-groomed nails can boost your confidence. Keep your nails clean and trimmed and apply a clear or nude polish for a polished look. If you have more time, experimenting with subtle nail art can be fun. A light fragrance can be a lovely finishing touch. Opt for a fresh, clean scent that isn't overpowering. A spritz on your wrists and behind your ears will keep you smelling great all day. Beauty starts from within, so drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet. Staying hydrated keeps your skin glowing and your body energized. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for at least 7 or 8 hours to wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Above all, remember that confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Embrace your unique beauty and let your personality shine. Choose outfits that are comfortable yet stylish. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or linen for those long school days. Stock up on basics like plain tees, jeans, and leggings. These versatile pieces can be mixed and matched effortlessly. Layering can transform your look. A simple cardigan or a denim jacket can add style and keep you warm. Choose simple, delicate jewelry for school. A pair of stud earrings or a dainty necklace can elevate your outfit. Have a few statement pieces like a bold necklace or chunky bracelet for special occasions or when you want to stand out. Comfortable footwear is crucial. Opt for stylish sneakers or flats that you can walk in all day. Use clothing and jewelry to express your personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what makes you feel good. Always consider the school's dress code when choosing your outfits. You can still look stylish while adhering to the rules. Update your wardrobe with seasonal pieces. Light fabrics for summer, cozy layers for winter. Choose a backpack or bag that is both functional and stylish. It should fit all your essentials and complement your outfit. Don't forget hair accessories. Headbands, clips, and scrunchies can add a fun touch to your hairstyle. Coordinate your makeup with your jewelry. A bold lip with simple jewelry or a neutral look with statement pieces. DIY fashion. Get creative with DIY fashion. Customize your clothes or jewelry to make them unique. Shop smart. Look for budget-friendly options. Thrift stores and sales can help you find stylish pieces without breaking the bank. Stay organized. Keep your wardrobe organized. It makes getting ready in the morning so much easier. Confidence booster. Remember, the best accessory is confidence. Wear what makes you feel good and stand tall. Keep an eye on fashion trends, but don't feel pressured to follow them. Mix trends with your personal style. Lay out your outfit the night before. It saves time and reduces stress in the morning. Update your jewelry collection with seasonal trends. It's an easy way to refresh your look. I hope these tips help you feel prepared and confident for the new school year. Remember, beauty is about feeling good in your own skin. Shine bright and have an amazing first day of school. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty Enchanters for more beauty tips and tricks. See you in the next video.